Okay. Hello, Papa. Ready na yung dilute mo. Okay. Drink it up. Okay.
Super food.
Super?
Food.
Super food. Ayan. Try to hold your right hand.
King of herbs.
Okay. Pakita mo sa kanila na ininom mo. Ayan. 10 pairs. Okay. Straight. Power, Straight, Galing, natatapon. Sayang. Very good, Okay. Straight. Very good, Simot na simot, Oh, very good, You see? Guys?
Kailangan maubos na papanis yun.
Within?
Within 2 hours dapat maubos. Hindi pwedeng ilagay sa ref. Dahil all DXN food supplement is natural. So, bye guys. See
Bye,
you.
everyone. So, take note. To Jason Pasha, Spirulina, GL, RG, and Andre. Much better kung meron po tayong Rosel juice. Okay.
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.